Hey Cozy Tribe! In this video I'm going to show you how to finish on headband so that you can give it this very nice X closure. And this is my Zermatt headband, which I will put a link in the description box below if you want to make one. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so first thing first, I already blocked it. I prefer to block it before sewing it together, mostly because that makes this process a little bit easier, since after blocking the edges will be very clean and they will stay down and not curl into the inside of the work. So after binding off, I actually left a very long tail, which I will need to sew the end together. One thing worth noting is that you will need to bind off so that your finishing tail is on the opposite side of your cast on tail. So for me, my cast on tail is on the bottom right, this, and my bind off tail is on the top left corner. Okay, so this is the right side of the work and this is the wrong side of the work. We are going to fold the headband with the right side facing each other, so the right side on the inside of the the folded headband. Now, what we are going to do is make a little sandwich with these two ends. So we are going to open them a little bit like this, fold them like this and like this, and place them like so, with the two tails on the outside of this little sandwich thing, as I like to call it. So I'm going to show you one more time. This is the right side of the work. Fold it like this, and then fold this one like this, fold the other end like this, and insert them one into the other like this, so that the ends, the tails, are on the outside of the work. Now, what I'm going to do, and actually I should have done this before, but that's okay. So we are going to thread the longer tail, so the bind off tail of the work. Okay, so here we go again. And we are just going to sew this end by going on a like zigzag motion like this. So this one is where it comes from. I'm going to insert it like this and then go back, and you just go back and forth by going through all these 4 pieces of fabric. Okay, so you see this 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just going to not just like go up and grab these 2, but going through all of them like this, and one more, and like this. And now this is where my other tail come from, so I like to do one more so that I finish on the other side. Okay, so depending on the yarn that you have, if it's a strong kind of yarn, you can actually pull a little bit this end so that the work will scrunch a little bit together. I'm using a merino, 100% merino yarn, so I'm not going to pull too hard on it, because otherwise it will probably break. So I'm going to knot it and maybe do another knot just to be secure. And this is the moment where you just wave in the ends so that when you flip your headband on the other side, you actually have this lovely finish that looks like an X. So actually I'm going to just wave in the ends. So now I'm gonna turn the work to the right side, and here it is. It's a very nice finish. I like it for pretty much all headbands that are work straight. I hope you like this tutorial and I'll see you soon. Bye!